In this video, I will teach you how to transfer your WordPress website with Siteground Migrator. This is a plugin and a super easy way and reliable way to move your site without dealing with complicated manual steps. So the very first thing you need to do is to go to your wordpress.com on your browser. If you don't already have an account, all you have to do is to click on Get Started right here and sign up for one of their hosting right here. But if you already have an account, all you have to do is to click on Login and just log in with your credentials. After logging in, all you have to do is to scroll down until you see plugins right here. Then click on Add Plugin. And then all you have to do is to search for SiteGround Migrator on your plugin marketplace. Then all you have to do is to click on SiteGround Migrator right here, and then you are free to install and activate it. So go ahead and do just that. After activating, all you have to do is to open the plugin from your WordPress dashboard. You just have to search for it right here, SiteGround Migrator, and you will be able to see that beside the activate, it will have settings. So all you have to do is to click on that. And once you click on that, it will look something like this. Take note that you have to have the SiteGround Migrator hosting plan in order for this to work. Then it will ask you to paste the migration token that you got from your SiteGround account. So all you have to do is to copy and paste it. Just right here. You have to paste it right here. And then click on Start Migration to initiate the transfer of your website. The plugin will now start copying your entire website, including files, themes, plugins, and your database to your new SiteGround hosting. Depending on the size of your website, this process might take a few minutes. Once it's done, you'll need a confirmation message that the transfer was successful. You can now log into your WordPress site hosted on SiteGround and check if everything looks good. So that's all there is today. Hope we helped.